How to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. So if you want to fix your Snapchat public profile not showing, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Snapchat. After opening your Snapchat, now you need to go with the upper left, which has your profile. Under profile, you need to just scroll down or go with settings, which is on the top right. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, and here under the privacy control, you need to go with contact me and then select friends and tap on view my story and then select friends, or you may also have everyone option. You can go with everyone. And comment settings, you can select everyone, and you need to go with all of these privacy controls and select everyone. After selecting everyone, you need to go back, and here you need to go with map, and under map make sure that you turn on your location. So go with allow and then turn on your location, and go with the settings which is on the top right, and make sure that you've turned off your ghost mode. So turn off your ghost mode and then tap on my friends or everyone and let everyone see your location. After that, you can go back and tap on your profile. Under profile, tap on your public profile, which is on the right side, and that's it. Now your public profile will show, but make sure to add some stories or spotlights and profile pictures, and that's it. That's how you can fix your Snapchat public profile not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.